Let's start with some good news. The desire to grow is completely normal. So is the want to learn and find new paths. But how do you choose a direction when there are dozens of options around you and they all seem so different? Hi, I'm Simon. For many years I've been watching how quickly everything changes and helping people find logic within this chaos. Today I'll share my approach. It's simple, calm, and step by step. And most importantly, this method saves your energy and time because instead of chaos you get clear order. You won't need complex programs or special skills, just your smartphone and a bit of attention. Stay until the end. I'll show you in practice a method that helps you structure observations and turn them into clear ideas. You'll also see exactly how I explain the logic behind decisions in real time without overload, with support, so even a beginner can feel confident. Before we begin, here's something important. Every day I share fresh observations and thoughts during live streams in my community. Link in the description and the pinned comment. There we'll look at situations together, pick out details, discuss different perspectives, and learn to find order even in the most complicated processes. You can do all this right from your smartphone. And the key thing, you don't just get dry theory. You see how everything's broken down in real time with explanations and support. For some members, this has become a way to work with information more confidently. For others, it's a source of inspiration for personal projects. So while the results is unique for everyone, the value is the same. Clarity instead of chaos and confidence instead of guesswork. Everyone has their own story and it all starts with a simple step: to observe and learn. Click the link and check it out. Everything inside is open and accessible in a format that's right for you. Let's begin. Today I'm working from my laptop, but if it's more convenient for you to watch from your phone, it's absolutely the same thing. There's no difference. The main thing is that it's comfortable for you. I have the chart open and that's enough to calmly observe and reflect what's happening and how market participants are reacting. This is not a race or a guessing game. It's simply a process of observation and analysis. You can see on the screen how the chart has dipped slightly and reached a point where reversals have occurred before. This is a moment worth noting. I'm observing, not drawing emotional conclusions, but watching to see if a familiar pattern is repeating. Sometimes a glance at your phone screen is enough to understand that new nuances have appeared in the price action. The key is not to rush, but to notice. The chart has approached an area where things have changed in the past. The color of the line on the screen has also changed. This could be a hint that the sentiment of the participants is shifting again. If turns have happened in the similar situations before, it can be a reason to be attentive. Not based on guesses, but simply on observations. After the line started moving up, the visual tool showed the same dynamics. It looked like a continuation of the movement that had already begun. When the chart's behavior remains stable, that's also a signal for reflection. Not a reason for hasty action, but an opportunity to compare and draw conclusions. The chart started moving in an area where there was a lot of activity before. The line changed color again. You can see the participants have started acting more actively. In times of uncertainty, it's important to look at the whole picture, not just one element. That's how the logic of the processes reveals itself. So, how are you feeling? If you're watching this video, you've already taken the first step toward a new way of looking at things. That's valuable. The next step is to follow a clear path. I've created a community where we calmly and step-by-step analyze examples, discuss approaches, and share thoughts. Imagine it like reading a new book. First, you get familiar with the style, then you start to delve deeper and you get hooked. All sessions are held live. I explain my train of thoughts, break down the details, and participants ask questions. Here, everyone moves at their own pace. If this resonates with you, the link is in the description or the pinned comment. You can join at any time. The chart sharply changed direction. It went down. The color on the screen also changed. This showed that the nature of the movement had changed again. Not everything moves in a straight line. Such turns are worth noting, especially if you're watching in real time. After a brief pause, the chart returned to a familiar point, the color changed, and the situation reminded me of what had happened before. Repeating patterns are not a promise of a result, but a hint for how to think more calmly and confidently. The line started descending again, and the tool marked the changes. It looked like a return to the previous movement. If the chart is moving in a familiar direction, that's not a signal, but information that can be used for broader analysis. The price seems to be stuck between two boundaries. When it approached the upper one, the tool changed color again. It looked like a slowdown in the upward momentum. Sideways movement is often calm, but there's meaning in it if you're watching carefully. During the move back, the chart again approached the familiar zone where changes had occurred before. The color changed. There was a sense that the nature of the behavior had become different. Such moments are important not for predictions, but for training attentiveness. Processes often repeat a general logic, not exact numbers. In conclusion, the chart again showed a familiar reaction to a level where there had been activity before. The tool noted that the picture remains similar. It's important not only to observe, but also to understand how one action transitions into another. Everything I'm showing is not an instruction, but food for thought. Remember, any market decisions require attentiveness. It's not magic, but a process that becomes clearer if you watch calmly, and always with risk in mind. You've already taken an important step. You've watched this video to the end. That means you're genuinely interested in growing. Now the choice is yours: to leave everything as it is or try a new format. Calm, logical, and step-by-step one. In my community, we meet live, analyze examples, and discuss different approaches. Members share thoughts, ask questions, and get answers. It's a space for those who want to learn at their own rhythm without pressure or overload. The link is in the description or the pinned comment. Come on in and let's figure things out together. See you inside.